Alright. Walking Martin's order. She running. She running. The little burn off. Oh yeah. That's the muffler. She running. No leak. No leak. I still gotta put this in. I gotta turn it. I gotta turn it so it line up. It ain't lined up. She running. No leak. No leak. She ain't done yet. She done. No drip. I still gotta put this on. Tighten that nut up. That's just Cadillac converter. Probably got a little something on it. It's fine. I still got to button up a couple of things. She running. She running. Here come Chico. I know he gonna be mad. Here.